Hey guys, we're back.
Again.
My stepdad's in the next room, so that's a bit awkward.
I just finished my second cup of tea.
And Emily's only halfway through hers. Can you see that? It looks yellow. That does not look advertised. Get out of my tea.
I like my teacup.
So I'm not working today because it's raining.
Woo!
But I must say that sucks because
Really?
I want money. But I do love my work.
Do you want to see how I feel about this?
Wait. Jared, go back. Do it again. Keep running. Can you see you? Wow, did I just say bomb?
Molly.
Did I just say bomb?
You said bomb.
Wow. Everyone's seeing
Lolly. I just found out they're Rob Sollies. And I'm putting them away.
I love tea.
Salted peanuts.
That's not salted peanuts, that's mixed nuts.
Oh, mixed nuts. I'm sorry. Don't we just look really pretty in the morning?
Oh, I feel sick. Look at my hair.
I'm an old heart. Freaking so big.
Hey, I think that everyone should comment this if they love her because... Oops.
Everyone's gonna love me after my altar incident.
Because she doesn't think anyone loves her. Oh, I have a phone call.
Oh, you can all watch Shannon.
Hello? Hello.
Hi, Shannon.
You're on YouTube. You are? Wait, what are you talking about? I'm talking about the fact that this phone call is on YouTube now.
Oh, we'll be on YouTube.
We'll be on YouTube and we're filming while you're on. Do you want me to tell YouTube you say hi? This giant custard tart. Did you see that? Oh, let's go get see Jared in the kitchen. Oh god. Where is she? Jared, say hi to YouTube.
This is my third cup of tea.
Shh. There are people sleeping. Come on, Jared.
I'm coming.
There was a giant custard tart on the TV. It's got talent.
What do we all think about Australia's Got Talent?
I think it's a good show. I love Minogue. She's just bee's knees.
No, not really.
Cats, fleas, and scum between
Oh my god. Emily's a bit hypo. She's only had 2 cups of tea, whereas I've had 3.
That's 6 sugars.
I got hypo. Ew, that looks really yucky. TV, new pizza, ice creamy thing.
This tea is unsettling my stomach. Oh, my feet are cold.